This video is dedicated to Mr. Urav Rathod. He has sent me this email. Let's go through this. I want to address this question. Hello Rohit, I watched your videos where you mentioned that you do not trade stocks that are in the ASM list or show a red flag in MarketSmith. Well, a red flag doesn't mean ASM list. Okay, there could be multiple reasons for a red flag. So, for example, let's go to a stock called as Banco Products. Oh, it is asking me to log in. So let's go to Banco Products. You see there is a red flag here. So if I click on this, see it says ASM list additional surveillance. So the stock is under surveillance by a national stock exchange. But there could be various reasons for a red flag. It need not be ASM. Here are the reasons that are given on MarketSmith. So it's not just ASM, okay? I'm rejecting stocks if there is a red flag on MarketSmith, not just because of ASM. Currently, Subros is showing a red flag in MarketSmith. So let us look at Subros. Yeah, Subros is not showing a red flag as of now. So that means when he sent me an email, at that time Subros was under red flag. So he sent me the screenshot. You see there is a red flag here. I don't know exactly what date he took this screenshot, but he's right. If Subros has a red flag, that's a reject. As of now, there is no red flag here. If I scroll down, see all our green flags, so no problem. So sometimes the red flag is removed also. Then, however, on the NSE website, the description states high low price variation was greater than 100% in previous 6 months. So on NSE, there is this note written here that high low price variation was greater than 100% in previous 6 months. So in the previous 6 months, the distance between high and low was more than 100%. That is what NSE is saying. But the stock does not appear in the official NSE ASM or GSM list. So if you look at NSE website, he has sent me a screenshot. It does not appear in the ASM or GSM list. In such cases, should a stock be rejected solely because it is flagged in MarketSmith as ASM, or should one rely on official NSE ASM GSM list for decision making? Very good question. So I use three platforms. One is a broking platform for executing the trade. One is a charting platform to study the chart, which is TradingView. And one is a filtering platform to screen for stocks, which is MarketSmith. So I have kept my system very simple. One platform for filtering, one platform for charting, and one platform for executing the trade. So three is more than enough. I don't want to go beyond three. If I decide to look at NSE, GSM, ASM list, then I will have to do that on every single stock that I am looking at. That would be too tedious work for me. I will allow MarketSmith to do the work for me. I will not do that work. If there is a red flag on MarketSmith, it is outright reject. I am not going to the NSE website just to simplify my entire process flow. Not every stock on MarketSmith is red flag. There is a reason why they put a red flag there. Most good stocks, leading stocks, which I have shared in the past, which I had personally bought, they were not having red flags. I might have bought a stock and after going up, it might have become a red flag. Something like Tata Investment was initially, when it was in the base, it was not a red flag. Then it came out of the base, then it became a red flag. Two, three times it has happened that I have bought a stock and then it went up and then it becomes a red flag. That's fine, but at the time of buying, it should not be a red flag. So the answer is very simple. I will not go to the NSE website because I don't want to use too many platforms. I just want to keep my process simple. Second thing I want to mention here is if I have two stocks, see, I always encourage all of you to look at everything from the lens of risk management. So if I've got two stocks which are offering me similar kind of opportunity, like technically, fundamentally, everything is fine with these stocks, two identical looking stocks. One has a red flag, one doesn't have a red flag. Tell me where is more risk? Which stock offers you more risk? Which one offers you less risk? Well, the red flag offers us more risk. The no red flag offers us less risk, right? Obviously, if I am presented with two opportunities, I will take the one with which does not have a red flag. So I look at everything from a risk management point of view. Same thing applies to a confirmed stage 2 uptrend. I look for the blue, green at the red line, the 50, 150 and the 200-day simple moving average. I'm not saying don't buy a stock if the blue, green, red criteria is not met. I am saying that if you buy a stock which does not meet the blue, green, red criteria, you are taking additional risk. I'm not saying don't buy the stock. You can do anything you want, but you will put the odds of success in your favor if you stick to the basic criteria. So, from the risk management point of view, the decision becomes very obvious. Thank you so much.